Hi there, my name is Sergey. I'm the developer of the Prikid Size Charts app for BigCommerce, and today I want to talk about size chart layouts and how to use it. So let's open our size charts we created in the previous video and go to the second step where we can edit the content. So as you can see here, we have this layout and we have these these blocks which can be used to add different content to your site chart. Okay, so let's remove this old block, and I'll tell you how to use this block from the scratch. So to add the text, just click on this button and you'll see here the new text block where we can which content we can edit at the right side here in the text editor. So you can use these settings like changing fonts and do any actions you usually do in any text editor. So let's close this editor and let's add a new table block. This table block also you can see added at the bottom of the site chart layout, and we can edit its content at the right side in its editor. So here we can use header text, and many other options and settings can be changed here. To make it easy to start, you can use this pre-created template. So let's choose this one, and here we go. We have this table block, we have this text block, and we have this image block. You can reorder them by using these arrows and move and down and up. You can copy blocks by using this copy button, and then you can edit here. To edit content, you just need to click on the block at the left side, and the dedicated editor will appear at the right side. Okay, so so what else you can do? You can delete block if you need. You can change it content, you can change settings and do all things you need. When you finish editing, you can preview. So this is how the site chart will look when you click on the site chart button at the website, at your website. So this is the basic things I described for you. In the next videos, I'll show you how to use these dedicated editors, this text editor, this table block editor, and how to upload images and videos and use videos, embed videos in your site chart. So stay tuned and have a good day. Thank you.